Gordon, my name is TJ, and I've been playing pickleball for 3 years. And when I play with and I think I'm about a 3.0, but I've just stagnated. If I play with people who are even a little bit better, it just spirals downward quickly. Next thing you know, I'm hitting it a little too high. They're smashing away every point, and it's embarrassing. How can I get off of this 3.0 plateau?
Hopefully your mic. Oh, there we go. Hey, Gordon, can you answer his question? I wonder if he can hear because of the settings now on the way.
Well, typically and by the way, this has happened to me when I've done demonstrations, and that is part of the challenge of doing demonstrations. Let me call it again, because I did authorize use of my mic, and it did hear me before and was giving great answers. So let me try it again. Sometimes there's just a glitch with these. I mean, it is technology. It's a new technology, and it's a technology that's a combination of a lot of different platforms, as you and I know. And at any one point, somebody can be recalibrating something.
Hello, I'm Gordon Jones. What's on your mind today?
Hi, Gordon. Can you hear me?
I hear you loud and clear. It sounds like you're in a space that's both creative and professional with that modern setup around you. Let's dive into what you're working on or any challenges you're facing. Whether it's about enhancing.
So, Gordon, here's my big challenge. I've been playing pickleball for 3 years, and I'm sort of stuck at a 3.0, and it's very frustrating. Sometimes I'll play someone younger. They just destroyed me. I'll say, oh, how long have you been playing? I'm thinking they'll say, oh, 5 years. They're like, oh, you know what? This is the fourth time I played, and I started a month ago, and it's just very depressing. What advice can you give me?
The pickleball plateau. It's a common challenge, but don't let it get you down. Remember, improvement in sports isn't always linear. First, let's consider the fundamentals. Are you focusing on consistent and controlled shots? Sometimes it's about mastering the basics before moving on to more advanced techniques. Also, think about your practice routine. Are you engaging in specific drills to target your weaknesses? Structured practice sessions can be incredibly beneficial. Recording your matches and analyzing them can provide insights into areas where you can improve. It's like having a mirror that reflects your gameplay back to you, allowing you to see what works and what doesn't.
Shame on me, because all day long I tell people, record yourself, record yourself, record yourself if you want to get to be a better speaker. And I think I've done it maybe once in pickleball. So I really should do that. So shame on me. That's a good advice that I needed to hear. What other tips can you give me? Gordon, did I lose you? Can you still hear me?
Interesting.
So the first tip was great. And again, we all have these connectivity issues, but I thought I would grade that pretty favorably as far as just solid advice. And I do need to do that. It's something I can do because I can take my cell phone and set it up so that it's recording me playing, or maybe bribe my daughter into recording me while.
So what I will tell you, just the way that you can get above it is by drilling more rather than playing more.